Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make 3D space on Scratch and I'm going to show you how it works. So we just need to move the mouse around and we can see the 3D space. And now let's make it. So I already created the sprites and I made some costume. The first one is Saturn and some colorful stars and one planet Earth. Now let's do the code. So when the green flag is clicked, I'll just switch the costume to like Saturn. I'll just switch the costume to Saturn and I'll just set the size to 90. And now it should show and then it should like create some clones, but I don't want to see it cloning. It'll just be so slow. So to make it fast, I'll just make a variable called planet. And also tick the run without screen refresh. And now in this block, I'll just keep repeat and then keep a clone block here. And you can just keep your favorite number here. I'll just keep 200. Okay. So it'll make 200 clones of this planet. So now take this new block and keep it here. And now the sprite have to go to 0, 0, which is at the middle of the screen. And now keep a forever block. And then I'll keep a go to block and then take a divide block and then take a mouse X and Y. Just keep this mouse X here and keep it by -1 and now duplicate it and then delete this X and then put this Y and now put this in the Y place and then put this in the X place. So this will just make this planet go like this. So it'll just go around when we move our mouse. And here are the other clones of the planets. Okay. So now let's just code those clones. So now when I start as a clone, point in direction random 90 to 360. Okay, so you just point in a random direction. And now switch costume to random. So to do this, I don't want the Saturn to repeat, so I'll just keep 2 here and the total costumes are 7, so I'll just keep 7 here. And now set size. Before that, I'll just keep a show. Okay, now set size to random 5 to 50. So this will just like make it look like far and near. And now I'll just keep a go to block and then I'll just keep this pick random -1 to -10. And at this side, I'll just keep -8. And then I'll just make 3 variables. I'll just delete the my variable and make 3 variables for this sprite only. So I'll just make random 1. Just keep it random for this sprite only. And I'll just click OK. And then create another variable and random 2 for the sprite only. I forgot to keep this one for the sprite only. Okay. Okay, and then last one, which is random 3. And for the sprite only. Okay, so we create 3 variables which are the sprite for the sprite only. Now I'll just set the random variable to like this one, to random -3 to -10, and I'll just duplicate that and now keep it for random 2 but a different value, which is -240 to 240, and now duplicate it again and keep it for random 3, and now keep the random block to -180 to 180, and then I'll just keep a forever block, and now I'll just keep a go-to block, and now in this go-to block I'll keep this. I'll keep it. Okay, I have to keep this inside forever block. Okay. Multiplication block. Multiplication. I'll just give a plus, and then take a divide operator and keep it inside this, and now go to sensing, and then take this x position and keep it here, and now go to variables and then take this random and keep it here. Now take random 2 and keep it here. Now duplicate this and now delete this random 2 and mouse left. Keep random 3 here and mouse Y. So this will just make the 3D movement. So now let's see how it works. Okay, that's better. And also one more thing I need to add is I just need to make the backdrop black, so that might be a little bit good. Not black, I'll just keep dark blue. Okay, I'll keep dark blue here. Okay. I'll just start here. Okay, so now let's see how it looks. Okay, and I also need to hide the variables. That's not in the backdrop, it's only in the planet because that's only for the sprite. Okay, and that's it.